Good morning students. In this video we are going to be learn about use of decimal fraction. Okay, so what is mean by use of decimal fraction? Now as you can see here 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupees and 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So first of all we'll read this dialogue. Sir, now we will see 24.50 equal to 24 rupees, means this 24 will be in rupees and 50 paisa. Okay, so like that we are going to be read that. Okay, and 100 paisa make 1 rupees. In 1 rupees how many paisa we have? We have 100 paisa. 1 paisa in 1/4 of a rupees. Suppose 1 rupees equal to 100 paisa. So 1 paisa will be paisa equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. Understood? This will become 1 paisa equal to 0.01 rupees. Okay, and 50 paisa. When 1 paisa equal to 0.01, so 50 paisa will become 25 upon 100. Yes or no? It will become 25 upon 100. Okay, here 50 paisa na. So 50 paisa, this will become 50 upon 100. So this will, if you will convert into decimal, you will find 0.50 rupees. Okay, so 50 paisa is equal to 0.50 rupees. Okay, we have learned till this how we can read and how we can convert. Here some units are given. 100 paisa equal to 1 rupees, 1 paisa equal to 1 upon 100 rupees equal to, that will be 0.01 rupees. 50 paisa, 50 upon 100 rupees equal to 0.50 rupees. Okay, these are the some units. Here 1 centimeter equal to 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. Clear? Like that we have to convert it. And here it is given, you have to learn all the units. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa, 5 rupees equal to 500 paisa, 0.50 rupees equal to 0.5 rupees. Okay, so and this will become 50 paisa. Okay, so 0.5 rupees means 50 paisa. After that 5, what will we have? 0. So this will become 50 paisa. Understood? Now this will become 0.07. This will become 7. Okay, here we will call as 50 and here it is 07, means it is 7 paisa. Understood? Like that you have to learn all the things. Now here it is 70.65 rupees. That means 70 rupees and 65 paise. Okay, here 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 8 meter equal to 800 centimeter. Okay, like that you have to read. Now it is 0.3 meter, which is equal to this 3, means after that it will become 0. This will become 30 centimeter because this will be the after decimal point. Understood? Now with the help of problem set we are going to be see. Write how many rupees and how many paisa. This 58.43. This 58 will be in rupees and 43 will be in paisa. Okay, now second one, 9.30. So this will become 9 will be in rupees and 30 will be in paisa. Understood? Like that you will solve these two remaining. Now write how many rupees in decimal form. This 6 rupees and 25 paisa. This will become 6.25 rupees. Okay, and 15 rupees and 70 paisa. This you can write 50.70 rupees. Okay, like that you will write this. Now third question, write how many meter and how many centimeter. This one will be in meter and 75 will be in centimeter. Clear? Like that you will write all the things. Same it is. Okay, here it is a meter. How many meter in decimal form? So first you have to convert. This will become 1.50 meter. Like that you have to solve each and every question. Same it is. Now one thing it is given as. Now the next topic is write half, quarter and 3/4 and 1.25 in decimal form. First of all it is given. First of all I will tell you half means what. Whenever we are talking about half means 0.50. Okay, quarter. When we are talking about quarter means a quarter means equal to 1/4. Quarter means 1/4. Now we have to convert into decimal form. So downside we need 10 or 100. So by which number it will going to multiply? So we will get a decimal in 100 form. Okay, so when we multiply 25, you will get 25 4s are 100. So if you are multiplying downside also, you have to multiply upside also. So this will become 25/100. Okay, if you will convert this into decimal form, you will get. So a quarter means 0.25. Now like that only if we will talk about 3/4 means 3/4. Okay, so now here you have to multiply 25 downside also and upside also. Now 25 3s are, you will get 75 and here you will get 100. This if you will convert into decimal form, you will get 0.75. So 3/4 means 0.75. Understood? So if someone will say 1.5. 1.5 means 1 plus half, and half we are writing in decimal form 0.50. So this will become 1.50. If someone said write in decimal form 1 and 3/4. 1 and 3/4. 1 and means plus, 3/4 means 0.75. So this value will become 1.75. Understood? If someone said 2.5, this will become 2 plus half means 0.50. This will become 2.50. Okay, this way you can solve the problem sets. Understood? Now with the help of some question in practice set, we are going to be solve I will like to solve fifth one. So fifth one is 14 and 3/4. 14 and 3/4. 3/4. So 14 plus 3/4 means 0.75. This, if we will add, you will find 14.75. Okay, simple it is. Like that you have to solve each and every, but just remember half means 0.50, quarter means 0.25, and 3/4 means 0.75.